In this video, I will show you how to use the Olympus WS-852 digital recorder, which can be used to record audio and transfer audio files to a desktop computer. To begin, turn the device on by finding the slider on the right side of the device labeled Power. Push the slider up into the on position. Your device may have the incorrect date or time. To check or change these settings, click the menu button on the lower left side of the recorder. Use the up and down buttons located above and below the OK button to move through the menu and select Device menu at the bottom of this list. On this new menu, move to and select Time and Date. Check this screen to see if the date and time are correct. If they are not, use the side keys, left and right of the OK button, to move between month, day, year, and time, and use the up and down buttons to change each one. When the date and time are correct, press the center OK button. Then, press the menu button to return to the home screen. Your device comes with 5 folders, labeled A, B, C, D, and E, as you can see here at the top of the screen. To move between the folders, press the Folder Index button on the right side of the recorder. As you move through the folders, you can also see how many recordings are saved in each folder, and which one you're viewing next to the folder icon. To start recording, press the orange REC button on the upper right-hand side of the recorder once. To pause the recording, press the record button again, and press it again to continue where it left off. Press the stop button when you're done recording. This will stop and save the recording to your device. Once it's saved, you can play back the recording by pressing the center OK button. Press the plus and minus buttons to change the volume of the recording playback. You may change the volume while the playback is in progress or when it stopped. Press the OK button while the recording is playing to change the playback speed. Plus and minus will decrease or increase speed while this menu is up. To delete a file, press the Erase button on the lower left side of the recorder. A menu will come up and ask whether you want to delete all files in the current folder or just the file that you are currently on. Use the plus, minus, and OK buttons to navigate this menu. Your recording will save into whichever folder you were on when you recorded it. You can move between the recordings in a folder by pressing the forward and backward buttons to the left and right of the OK button. When you are done, turn the recorder off. Once you have your recordings, you may want to move the files over to your computer. Begin by flipping your recorder over to the back. There you will see a groove with a slider. While pressing the small circular button, push it upward. This will reveal the retractable USB connector. Plug the recorder directly into your computer's USB port. Now, open your computer's File Explorer or File Finder. In the sidebar, locate and select the folder called WS-825. It should contain 3 folders. Select the one titled Recorder. Now you can see the 5 folders from the recorder. Open the folder with the recordings that you want. You can double-click these files directly to listen to the recording. From here, transfer the files into a local destination on your computer. You can right-click to copy a file and then paste into another folder, or if you have a folder handy, drag the file from one location to another. Once you have your files, find the WS-825 shortcut again and right-click. Select the Eject option in the menu before you remove the USB device to ensure that your files don't get corrupted. Once you're finished, retract the USB connector back into the device to ensure its longevity. This has been how to use the Olympus digital recorder. If you still have questions, you are always welcome to contact the note-taking services for further assistance.